Hello, I am Kapruddin. Here is another chapter, 14th January chapter of my book 365 Days of Bliss and Self-Growth. 14th January chapter, spend time with nature. If the day and night be such that you greet them with joy, and life emits a fragrance like flowers and sweet scented herbs, is more elastic, more immortal. That is your success. All nature is your congratulation, and you have cause momentarily to bless yourself. Henry David Thoreau. Nature is fuel for the soul. Richard Ryan. Have you ever sought to enjoy the world's wonderful gifts? This earth is a beautiful place. Being outside in nature makes people feel more alive, active and joyful. Exposure to nature increases energy and creates heightened sense of joy and exhilaration. One of the pathways to health may be to spend more time in natural settings. People on the excursions and spending time with the nature experience feeling more alive and active. The very presence of the nature invigorates us and helps us to ward off feelings of exhaustion and boredom. It has calming effect on a tense mind. Richard Ryan had correctly stated, nature is fuel for the soul. If you go outside in the nature and look at the trees, plants, flowers, lakes, oceans, and grass, you will realize how magnificent world is. It's possible to nurture and develop your higher self spending time in nature. It gives you the space to listen the calming voice of your inner. The valuable experience that lead to joy are more likely to take place in nature, away from online world. Compared to walks on a treadmill, immersive forest walks are far more effective at reducing tension, anger, fatigue, as well as blood pressure and cortisol levels, while at the same time improving mood. Choose a place that you think that you will thoroughly enjoy. Go on a hike, sit down on a rock, or simply on the ground. Get comfortable with your surroundings. Next, close your eyes and picture in your mind the nature that surrounds you. Do something peaceful, such as fishing or meditating in the woods. You will be amazed at how relaxing it is to just relax and enjoy the natural sounds of the woods and chirping of birds. Walking in the natural surroundings is great experience. It allows you to see and hear little things which soothe your nerves, which don't let the time or the distance scare you. Look into the vastness of sky. Don't forget to look at the stars. Whether you know anything about them or not. Often they will appear brighter and more numerous when you are in nature, away from light and smog of the cities. Go to a nearby garden or forest for a walk. Listen and truly listen to the chirping of birds. Also listen silences between the two chirpings. Feel the brushing of cold fresh breeze on your cheeks and fragrance of flowers. Maintain your verdant lawn and fragrant flowers alone or with family members. You will be connected with the nature. The environment will fill your mind with calming feelings of peace and relaxation.